bullshit on the land spouts. What he was showing there was like
Dirt
blowing around just like this.
Dirt being blown around.
He's got a little lowering right in the middle of the base right there. I mean, I don't know if this shit's gonna do anything. Who knows? Oh, let's look at the stuff back by Lubbock. That does not look good. Not yet. It's trying, but.
All that there.
Perfect.
Hmm?
Yeah, that's real interesting there.
A dust plume? Yeah. I don't know. I mean, it's.
That's the land trap to the south. This is
like a
a
land
tornado here.
I don't know if that's RFD. It's probably. I bet it's underneath the fence. I think it's behind it though. You could have a little land spout there. There might be a land spout. See above it? 535.
That's outflow. Absolutely outflow. Wow, is that gorgeous? Yeah. What a spaceship.
Gorgeous.
Oh, man! Just come
Keep watching this area right here.
Yeah, right in the clear slot there.
Yeah, you can get a nice tube coming down any moment. Any moment.
You could. Watch that close and that lowering. You maybe hit the funnel cloud trying to form there. You can drop a tornado right there where that long point is right there. Wow!
Yeah, that is
Oh my God, look at the structure!